Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View looking at the week ahead. Bank Holiday Monday provides some mixed conditions again, the risk of some localised heavy and thundery downpours. An improving picture during the week ahead for many though, as high pressure is building, but the risk of some weather fronts moving into western Scotland at times. Overall, temperatures looking fairly mild, the wind speeds often light. Let's look through those details then, and Monday is still a rather slack and messy looking weather situation, not much moving around very quickly, light winds overall. The leftovers of Sunday afternoons, showers and thundery downpours still continuing overnight, enough to leave some patches of rain and drizzle first thing in the morning, and the odd heavy burst could be around across central parts of the Highlands. It's that area around central Scotland, Loch Lomond, toward the southern uplands, around the Pennines as well, that's the greatest risk of some heavy showers and local thunderstorms breaking out by Monday afternoon. A lower risk further north and northwest around the Highlands, here more likely just light and well scattered showers and often dry conditions for a good part of the day. For Wales, the risk of some localised heavy showers popping up by the afternoon, the greatest risk across more eastern parts in this part of the world. There'll be a lot of low cloud around across the hills early in the day, those bases tending to rise with time and some breaks forming to higher tops, best across more northern parts of the Highlands. High pressure is then just building from the west into Tuesday. Still the risk of a few showers around, more scattered compared to previous days. The odd patch of rain or drizzle and low cloud in the morning again in places. Cloud bases once more will rise during the daytime with good breaks towards many summits. The wind staying light and temperatures a little bit on the cooler side, especially across the northern half of the Highlands, where first thing in the morning quite close to freezing on the highest tops around Ben Hope, for example. High pressure is centred toward the south into the middle of the week, and there is uncertainty on the progress of weak fronts over the Atlantic coming in from the west-southwest. It could be that those get steered further away from Scotland, but there is the risk of some low cloud and patchy rain and drizzle coming into the west coast and all turning rather damp and murky in this part of the world. Drier and brighter further eastwards across the Highlands, and generally dry with broken cloud and sunshine for England and Wales. Here the wind mostly light, the southwesterly though a bit fresher across Scotland and may strengthen during the daytime, strongest across more northwestern coastal mountains. Pressure stays generally high toward the south on Thursday, and it's still that story of weak fronts draped around its northern flank, which could still spoil things for western Scotland, with fairly cloudy conditions shrouding the mountains and some patchy rain and drizzle in the forecast. Further east across the Highlands, drier and brighter with some cloud breaks to the high tops. England and Wales mostly dry and bright with the hills free of cloud, a few morning mist and fog patches around some of the valleys. Not too much changes on Friday. Again, we'll be watching the detail of the forecast quite closely in terms of the risk of low cloud and some patchy drizzly rain, particularly for western Scotland. Otherwise, it is a mostly dry and fine outlook. Light winds, a fair amount of cloud in the sky, but good breaks above many high tops. All your local details for 3 days ahead can be found on our website. That is your Fleeting View. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.